We must begin to use the vocabulary as Y1 4.5 does. Feature is the general term applied to a physical portion of a part such as a surface, pin, tab, hole or slot. Usually a part feature is a single surface or a pair of opposed parallel plane surfaces having uniform shape. You can establish datums from and apply Gd&T controls to features only. The definition implies that no feature exists until a part is produced. There are two general types of features, those that have a built-in dimension of size and those that don't. Non-size features. A non-size feature is a surface having no unique size like diameter or width dimension to measure. Non-size features include a nominally flat planar surface, an irregular or warped planar surface such as the face of a windshield or airfoil, a radius, a portion of a cylindrical surface encompassing less than 180 degree of arc length, a spherical radius, a portion of a spherical surface encompassing less than 180 degree of arc length, a revolute, a surface such as a cone generated by revolving a spine about an axis. Features of size. A feature of size is one cylindrical or spherical surface or a set of two opposed elements or opposed parallel surfaces associated with a size dimension. A feature of size has opposing points that partly or completely enclose a space, giving the feature an intrinsic dimension size that can be measured apart from other features. Holes are internal features of size and pins are external features of size.